So, my dear student, let us start exercise B of the logarithm. Logarithm, as you know that the question of multiplication come to the addition, yeah, question of addition can be multiplied because this is a reversal. Is equal to mean left equal to right, yeah, right to left to right, no problem. In inequality there is a problem, so we have to be very careful because they are unequal. When they are equal, no problem, doesn't matter. Either you go from left to right or left to left. So basic funda is that multiplication can be addition or addition naturally can be multiplication. Division can be subtraction and naturally in for special case subtraction to division. And powers become multiplication or in special case multiplication become power. Okay. Now in the question number 1 or then or part for you, even part is your homework. So please. Question number 1 is saying that they had given the some terms and they are saying that give our answer in 2 and 3 only. Means if answer is coming, then break it into 2 into 3. For example, if answer is coming 9, so instead of 9 write 3 square. If answer is coming 8, instead of 8 write 2. If answer is coming 6, so it is 2 into 3 like this. We have to break in log 2 or log 3, so please now log 36 क्या होता है 2 square 3 square just after the prime factorization. It is log m multiply n यानी कि log m plus log. मैंने अभी आपको कहा था normally का था multiplied by addition, but for special condition we convert multiplication into addition. Now powers get multiplied, power get multiplied. Now 2 is here, so let me take common. What is left log 2, what is left log 3. So this is your answer because they are saying convert into terms of log 2 and log 3. Please again listen. Log 36, 37 can be break into 2 square, 3 square, 2, 2, 3, 3 and we are going for the prime factorization. Now they say m multiply n, so log m plus log n. Now this 2 is of power will come to multiply, this is the power come to multiply. 2 is common, so what is that log 2, what is that log 3, this is your answer. Now this log of 4.5, 4.5 by removing the decimal it become log 10. Now 5 9 जा 5 2 जा, it can be written as 9 upon 2 और मैंने अभी आपको पहले कहा 9 नहीं चाहिए मुझे 3 के मल्टीपल चाहिए, so in place of 9 I have written 3 square upon 2. So this is log 3 square minus log 2. Here this power come to the front of the number, so 2 log 3 minus log 2, both are in 3 and 2, so that is your answer. Now here, these are the 3 terms. Firstly, plainly as it is, this 2 is of multiplication. Multiplication कब आता है जब power होती है, so I take this 2 as the power, so 5 की भी power, 9 की भी power, and as it is, 5 square is 25, 9 square is 80. Now this is the minus, so let me convert it to plus by reciprocal. याद रखना, in log number become reciprocal. Okay, so naturally it will become numerator, 25 become denominator. Now log plus कब आता है जब multiply होती है, तो naturally अगर plus है तो इसका मतलब actually क्या थी multiplication. After that 25 1 जा 25 3 जा 81 1 जा 81 3 जा 3 3 cancel, 61 1 ja 62 ja, so answer is 2, that is log 2. I hope you understand. Firstly they multiply by make power remaining as it is, then square can be 25 81 remaining as it is, all are in these are addition, this is subtraction, so I convert into addition by reverse, 81 upon 25. Now log multiply of these things after cutting you will get log 2. That is the answer of fifth part of question number 1. Okay, याद रखिएगा we are doing odd number of part and even number of part is your homework. Now बेटा question number 2, they are saying that express free from log. जैसे last time का था express in log 2 and log 3, इस बार वो कह रहे हैं express free from log, यानी कि log word आपने यूज नहीं करना. You will not use logarithm or log or log like that. Anyway, now first question is 2 log x minus log y is equal to 1. So naturally 2 become the power because it is multiplied as it is. माइनस कब आता है? व्हेन देयर इज डिवीजन, तो एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन वाई एज इट इज। और जब कोई पावर नहीं लिखी, बेस नहीं लिखा होता, देन बेस इज 10। मैंने आपसे कहा था व्हेन बेस इज नॉट रिटन, तो मोस्टली अवर केस जिस क्लास में आप हैं, वी विल टेक लॉग बेस 10। तो एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन वाई इज द बेस 10, तो बेस 10 उधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म गायब हो जाएगी, तो ये बन जाएगी एक्सपोनेंशियल 10 की पावर 1 10, और ये y उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, तो एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 10y, दैट इज योर आंसर। प्लीज लिसन, first part, this 2 is of multiplication, so become power. This is minus, so this will divided by this. No base is written, so base will be 10. And as I don't want logarithmic form, so let me shift the base to make an exponential form. 10 इधर आ गया, तो 10 की पावर 1 as it is, and 10 की पावर 1 10, and y multiply there, तो x square is equal to 10y. Now please come to the third part. a multiply था, उधर गया तो हो जाएगा x की पावर 1. b मल्टीप्लाई था, वैन शिफ्टेड है तो y की पावर 2 मल्टीप्लाई था, वैन शिफ्टेड है तो बिकम पावर 2, यानी कि स्क्वायर। नाउ माइनस कब आता है? लास्ट टाइम भी आपको बताया था, इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन x अपॉन a डिवाइडेड बाय y अपॉन 2। दिस 3 स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज 9। व्हेन बेस आर नॉट रिटन, तो बेस इज 10, एंड यू नो दैट बोथ साइड आर हैविंग द बेस 10, तो कैन बी कैंसिल, log 10 log कैंसिल। याद रखना, अगर यहाँ पे log बेस 5 होता, यहाँ पे log बेस 2 होता, तो दे कांट बी कैंसिल, दे कैन बी कैंसल, लॉग कैन बी कैंसल्ड। और ये जो लॉग कैंसलेशन का प्रोसेस होता है, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं टेकिंग एंटी लॉग। इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? टेकिंग एंटी लॉग। तो लेट अस टेक द एंटी लॉग x अपॉन a y अपॉन b इज इक्वल टू 9, तो x अपॉन a इज इक्वल टू 9 टाइम y अपॉन b, तो दिस इज फ्री फ्रॉम द लॉगरिथम, दैट इज योर आंसर। दिस कैन बी आल्सो आंसर बिकॉज़ दिस आल्सो डू नॉट कंटेन लॉग, बट दैट इज द मोर सिंपलीफाइड फॉर्म देन दैट, सो आई एम राइटिंग दैट। Okay, I hope you understand question number 2. Second part is your homework. First and third part I had already done on the screen. Now my dear students, question number 3. They are asking that ki express these and then in the simplified form and hence evaluate the value, या simply बोल दिया जाए find the value of these logarithms. So firstly let us simplify it as much as simplify as I can according to the logarithm, then we will think what will be the value, what is not. This is the question as it is, this 2 is of multiplication, it will go there as a power, so as it is minus log 2 square is 4. Now you know that plus will be for multiplication, minus will be for the division. So what we do, we take the positive term in the numerator and negative term to the denominator, so that plus will multiply and minus will divide. Now 5 8 is 40, 40 upon 4 10, and when log base is not written, तो base is also 10, log a base a 1, एक तरीका तो ये है। और दूसरा आपको याद होगा log 10 की मैंने वैल्यूज लिखाई थी, log 1000, log 100, log 10, log 0.1, log 0.01, log 0.001 like this, याद होगा आपको। साइड में मैंने कहा था विद बेस 10, और जब कोई बेस नहीं होता तो पूरा बेस 10, तो आप डायरेक्ट भी यहाँ पे log 10 की जगह पे इज इक्वल टू 1 लिख सकते थे फ्रॉम दैट टेबल, अदरवाइज ये मेथड है ही है आपके पास। चलिए नेक्स्ट, नाउ एज इट इज 125 कैन बी रिटन एज 5 क्यूब, 32 can be written as 2 raised power 5, and you know that in the log power come forward, in log power come forward, 1 upon 3 3 get cancelled, 1 upon 5 5 get cancelled. Okay, so what is left? Only log 5. What is left? Only log 2. So log is equal to 4 plus 5 minus 2, because positive term multiplication, so in the numerator, negative term for division, so that will be in the denominator. So after cutting it is 10. You can write directly like this one, or log base is not written, so base is 10, a log a base is 1, so answer is 1. Again second part is your homework, and let us start question number 4. Okay, याद रखिएगा parts are there, I am taking the odd part and even part is left for you as a homework. Now my dear student, question number 5 करना चाहिए था, but I am doing 4, so that maximum question I will attempt. Question number 4. 2 log 15 upon 18 minus log 25 upon 162 plus log 4 upon 9 will be equal to log 2. ये आपको शो करना है। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड को आपने बराबर शो करना है। लेट मी टेक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। दिस 2 इज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन व्हेन वी शिफ्टेड बिकम पावर। अगर 15 का स्क्वायर होगा तो 225, 18 का स्क्वायर होगा तो 324, बिकॉज दिस 2 बिकम पावर ऑफ बोथ as it is. After that you know that जो प्लस वाले टर्म्स होते हैं वो तो सीधा मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं, जो माइनस वाले टर्म होते हैं वो क्या होती है, डिवीजन। एंड डिवीजन में क्या होता है, रेसिप्रोकल टू मेक देम मल्टीप्लाई। क्या हो जाता, ये दोनों तो मल्टीप्लाई होते, ये डिवीजन होता, टाइम वेस्ट होता। तो व्हाट आई डू, दिस डिवीजन वाली जो टर्म थी इसको रेसिप्रोकल करके मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया। फिर सुन लीजिए, ड्यू टू माइनस इट विल बी ऑफ डिवीजन, एंड डिवीजन को अगर हम रेसिप्रोकल करें तो मल्टीप्लाई। This is of plus यानी कि multiplication as it is. This is of plus to of multiplication as it is. After that we go for the cutting and answer is coming log 2 that we have to show. फिर सुन लीजिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हमारे को शो करना था लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू द log 2 ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन। तो फर्स्ट इज दिस 2 log यानी कि दिस 2 इज मल्टीप्लाई विद पावर। तो 2 15th पावर 225, 2 when 18th power become 324 as it is. Now you know that in the log positive terms get multiplied, negative term get divided. So these positive terms are multiplied by multiply. This negative term come division, but division फिर वही दिक्कत है, दो मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है, डिवाइड हो रही है। तो मैंने कहा चलो तीनों को एक जैसा कर लेते हैं। तो what I do, I convert this negative terms division into the multiplication by writing the reciprocal. And when we go for the cutting, answer is log 2. That is your answer. Okay. Now please come to question number 5. Question number 5 they are saying that कि evaluate the value of x if this is the expression. So now firstly x as it is minus as it is, this is multiply, so this 3 will become power 3 become 2 raised to power 3 यानी कि 8. This 1 upon 3 will become power 125. 1 upon 3 का मतलब होता है क्यूब रूट ऑफ 125 क्या होता है 5 एंड log 3 आ। फिर सुन लीजिए बेटा, ये जो 3 था पावर बना तो 2 की पावर 3 होता है 8। ये 1 upon 3 भी पावर बना यानी कि क्यूब रूट हुआ तो 125 का क्यूब रूट 5। नाउ आफ्टर दैट आई टेक ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन द वन साइड, x as it is log 5 log 3 minus 48 go there plus 48 plus log 8 go there minus log 8. Now plus term for the multiplication, negative term for the division. So plus term comes to the numerator and minus terms come to the denominator. When we go for the cutting, I receive 10 and you know that when base is not there, so base is 10. For the base 10, log 10's value is 1. Okay? बहुत बार हम यूज करेंगे, इसलिए आज के बाद मैं डायरेक्ट लिखने अब शुरू कर रहा हूँ। अभी तक मैं आपको हर बार क्या करता था, log a base a is equal to 1. But now I will start using, क्योंकि आगे हो सकता है मुझे कभी 100, 1000, lakh, 0.1, 0.01 भी मिलना शुरू होता है। ओके, तो आई विल राइट 1. तो दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Now my dear student, question number 7. Naturally 4 parts are there, 2 parts are my homework and 2 parts are classwork. So let me take third and fourth part as a classwork, because I personally feel these are comparatively not difficult but comparatively difficult than first and second part. Now first part, log x minus 2 plus log x plus 2 is equal to log 5. So naturally beta as it is, this is a plus, so it means these will get multiplied as it is. Now a minus b, a plus b formula, so it is x square minus 4 as it is. And when base is not written, then base is 10. When base is not written, base is 10. Now log 10 both sides, so naturally let us eradicate it, and the process is known as taking anti-log. याद रखना, मैं आगे नहीं लिखूंगा, ठीक है। बट व्हेन यू गो टू द +1 और टू द हायर स्टडी तो आप डायरेक्ट नहीं काट सकते, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा टेकिंग एंटी लॉग। तो टेकिंग एंटी लॉग, दिस log 10 cancel x square minus 4, log 10 cancel 5, this minus 4 join it तो it become 9 and square of 9 तो x will be 3। वैसे आप हायर क्लास में जाएंगे, इवन इसी क्लास में आफ्टर सम टाइम हम यहाँ पे +-3 लिखने लग जाएंगे। वी स्टार्ट यूजिंग +-3, जब भी हम स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे वी यूज द बोथ साइन प्लस एंड माइनस बोथ। बट प्रेजेंटली माय मोटो इज टू टीच यू अबाउट द लॉगरिथम बेसिक्स, so due to that these long terms and the long term goals I am avoiding only for a temporary method, understand, temporary gain so that it will be very smooth very fast, but in actual we have to use all these things। फिर सुन लीजिए, these are of plus तो multiply a minus b, a plus b formula, base are not written तो it will be base 10, taking anti-log यानी कि log get cancelled, x square minus 4, 5 minus 4 join it 9 to x is equal to 3। Now please come to here, now log a plus log b, log a plus b, a plus b, a minus b, x square minus 25। Similarly this is the 2, when it will come to here it will become 9, this is the 4, when it come power so 2 to the power 4 is 16। Now in the log when you are having the plus that means these are multiplied, so 16 into 9, 16 9 is 144, and as like last time I can write the base 10, I can write taking anti-log, if you want I will be happy if you will use, okay। And then x square minus 25 is 144, minus 25 join it 169, so x is equal to plus minus 13, so that is your answer, okay। Now let us take question number 8। Now my dear student, please listen very carefully. Log question number 8, there are 4 parts, I am attempting first and third part, second and part is fourth part is your homework। Third part is log 81 upon log 27 is equal to log x, 81 is 3 raised to power 4, 27 is 3 raised to power 3 as it is। This power will come forward, this power also come forward, so what is left, log 3 and as they are in the numerator and denominator they cancel each other, what is left 4 upon 3, what was there x, so x is equal to 4 upon 3। Please listen, I convert 81 into 3's power 4, I convert 27 into prime factor 3 cube, these powers come forward, log 3 as it is। Now log 3 get cancelled, what is left 4 upon 3, what is left already right from the beginning x, so x is equal to 4 upon 3। Now come to the second part, 64 prime factor is 2 raised to power 6, 8's prime factor is 2 raised to power 3, as it is. Now this 6 come forward, log 2, this 3 come forward, log 2, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, okay। So what is left 2 as it is, and when base is not there so base is 10, when base shifted here it become 10 square, and everybody knows 10 square is 100। Again listen, I convert into the prime factor, powers come to the multiplication by the property of log, logs values are same so get cancelled, 3 1 3 2 ja also get cancelled, so 2 is equal to log x, when no base so base is 10, when base is shifted here so 10 square, so now 10 square is 100। So this is all today, I hope you understand, if there is something wrong I am sorry for that, and I would like to request you one time again, please don't think that this is a YouTube video, I can't ask the question, you can ask any time any question regarding any fact, and I will be happy for your constructive criticism, याद रखना constructive criticism, which is for the benefit of you and me both। Till then, thank you, have a nice day, God bless you, be careful, be safe, enjoy life।